All right, today we're diving into something that's about to totally change how we handle money in India, the brand new digital rupee. Let's get right into it.
I want you to just imagine something for a second. No more faded, torn notes. No more fumbling for coins. Instead, you've got pure digital cash right on your phone, and it's backed by the highest financial authority in the country.
Well, guess what? This isn't some far-off sci-fi movie. It's happening right now. The Reserve Bank of India has already kicked off pilot programs for what it's calling the e-rupee.
So what is this thing really? The easiest way to think about it is like a digital twin of a physical banknote. It's official, it's government-backed, it's just like the cash you have now, but it lives entirely in the digital world.
Okay, but let's be real. We already use our phones to pay for pretty much everything. So what makes this new digital cash any different? That's the big question, right? Let's break it down.
Okay, this slide gets to the absolute heart of the matter. When you look at your bank account, that money, it's basically an IOU from your bank. They owe you that money. But the digital rupee, that's a whole different ballgame. It's the digital version of holding an actual banknote, a direct claim on the Reserve Bank of India itself. And that right there gives it some serious weight. It's official legal tender, it has a full government guarantee, and you can see all the big players, SBI, ICICI, HDFC, are already involved in the pilots. This is being built right into the core of the financial system.
Okay, so that's the what. Now for the how. How are you actually going to use this stuff in your day-to-day life?
And look, the whole idea is to make this super simple. You'll have a digital wallet on your phone just for your e-rupees. And from there, you're good to go. Scan a QR code at a tea stall, pay for your bus ticket, bam. It's all instant, no messing around.
Okay, hold on. I know exactly what you're thinking, especially if you're in India. Wait a minute, isn't this just UPI? I mean, we already have this amazing, super fast payment system, don't we? It's a totally fair question, and the real difference is what's happening under the hood.
So this table lays it all out pretty clearly. UPI, at its core, is a system for moving money between bank accounts. The digital rupee, though, it is the money. It's digital cash. That means settlement is direct, and get this, they're even planning for it to work offline. That's a huge potential leap from UPI.
I really want this point to land because it's the key to the whole thing. UPI is an instruction to move bank money around. The digital rupee is the money itself, just like handing someone a 10 rupee note. Simple as that.
All right, so it's different. Who cares? Why should this new system matter to you and your wallet? Let's get into the actual real-world benefits.
Benefit number one, it's truly instant. Because you're handing over digital cash directly, there are no intermediaries, no waiting for different bank systems to talk to each other. The second you hit send, that money is settled. It's done. Final.
Now, this one could be a really big deal. Right now, every time you use your card, the shop owner has to pay a fee. With a direct digital cash system, those fees could shrink or maybe even disappear. And hey, maybe, just maybe, those savings get passed on to us. This is huge. Think about this for a second. For someone without a traditional bank account, all they might need is a simple phone and a digital wallet. Suddenly, they can be part of the digital economy. This could bring millions of people into the financial system. And of course, there's the simple fact that it's just safer than carrying cash. You can't lose it, you can't tear it, it can't get stolen from your pocket in the same way. It's all secured right there on your phone. Okay, so those are the immediate pluses, but let's zoom out a bit because the e-rupee could totally reshape how we think about money and unlock some brand new possibilities. Take micropayments, for example. In a world with basically zero transaction fees, paying a tiny amount, like, say, 2 rupees for a parking meter or 5 rupees to read one single news article online, suddenly makes perfect sense. This could open up a whole new world of business models. And this is where things start to sound like something out of a sci-fi novel. Programmable money. Imagine the government sending out a subsidy that's digitally coded to only be spent on specific things, like seeds for a farmer or books for a student. It ensures the money goes exactly where it's intended. But a change this massive isn't all sunshine and roses. There are some really important questions and potential downsides we have to talk about. So there are 3 big ones people bring up. First, privacy. Unlike cash, digital payments leave a trail. So how do we protect our financial privacy? Second, what happens to banks? If everyone pulls their money out of savings accounts and puts it into e-rupee wallets, that could shake up the whole system. And finally, security. A national digital currency, you better believe that's going to be a massive target for hackers. It needs to be Fort Knox level secure. And you know what? India isn't going at this alone, not by a long shot. This is a global race to figure out the future of money. Just look around the world. All the major players are building their own central bank digital currencies. China is already well on its way with a digital yuan. Europe is hammering out the details of a digital euro. The UK is exploring a digital pound. This is a worldwide shift. So where does that leave us? Well, here's a thought to chew on. That wallet you carry around every day, in a decade, it might just be an antique. The digital rupee isn't just a new app on your phone. It's a complete rethink of what money even is, and we're just seeing the very beginning of it.